Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we are unboxing the kit for the month of October. I forgot the name of the collection in general, what they're calling it, but it is a fun one. So I am on the design team. I get the main kit, the acrylic title piece kit, and then the extra additional bold kit that you can have like as an add-on to your subscription itself. But believe me, what the main kit comes with is more than plenty to have plenty of supplies to use for your documentation. So good, love it. Let me show you what we got. So the frazzles and ribbons, we have this like brown and cream plaid, a marigold mustard pom-pom, almost like a coffee colored, oh, it's elastic, a little bit elastic ruffle, and then a white and floral that also has those beiges and browns. In a little glassine bag, we have a few little heart moments, textured. That's what always she does good. You have like the variety of ribbon, texture, wood veneer. So you have like pumpkins, pumpkin lattes, and pumpkin spice everything little wood veneer pack. A small tiny alpha that's on yellow with a white color from Freckled Fawn. And then a bigger alpha called Country Yard stickers. So we have both in a black and in a gold. So the opposite is on the back of the gold. That's cool. One craft doily. The ephemera pack. You know what? The ephemera pack will probably make sense after we see what the patterns are. So I'll do that next. And then the pattern papers. So I do believe I have two of everything, but look at these illustrations. This one's my favorite. It pretty much gives you all the icons. You can see that there's like sunflower moments, a little floral pumpkin, there's like a lady figure, and there's a bunch of these little like store / cottage scenes. This one is my favorite. So this gives you the overall. We have the apple picking, okay, and this country look. Ugh, look how cute the house is. So yeah, so even with this one, I was like, ooh, I can cut some of these out, which I can do, or even put tiny photos already in there. But I think I may use that to cut out. And then so here's the second the back sheet is this. So this is the first, front and back. It's just a good stripe we got there. Okay. Then we have a pink polka dot on top, green on the bottom, and then the apples across the middle, or not middle, it's down on the bottom. But that illustration with watercolor is amazing. And then this is the repeat on the back, a hexagon repeat with green. Here is the little barn scene. Like, stop it. Like, photo right here already. Just, fussy cut around there. You can tuck it behind there, fussy cut around there. And your photo already instant house. And I wonder if in here, because I haven't opened them, if there's that lady little figure, and you can definitely do like a little paper doll moment here. And this is the back. So watercolor stripe blue. Gorgeous flower repeating on that hexagon background. And then is this the back? And then the busy flower. This is really pretty. You can see that. This is really pretty. This is really pretty. Okay. Then here's the barn scene. You guys, you see? Like fussy cut right there, with the X-Acto knife. And your picture can be like right there. Layout done. That's beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And then the bows. This is the back side. The blue on blue bows. A stripe and a blue bow on top. Here are the apples over the watercolor stripe. And I was at the back. Oh, she shouldn't have done that. I love those both. I needed those separate. This is not a bee pattern. And then the little house. This is gorgeous. This is gorgeous. Dang it. And that's that. So then I'm assuming the ephemera, let's see what the ephemera is. So you're going to get all those icons again. Why can't I see the opening? Okay. Doot, doot, doot. So yeah, yep, you get all the house scenes. You get the flowers. Yep. Ugh, so good. You see? Here's the flowers. So good. Oh yeah, this is a good ephemera pack. Tiny apples, a few tunnels, more flowers. Yep. Oh, there's a turkey. There's another house. Some labels, some journaling. Oh, there is a lady. I knew it. Another lady. Oh, like a little cornucopia. Pumpkins. Yeah, this is good. This is really good. Even a blue pumpkin. 2 blue pumpkins. This is good. Me likey. Okay. Okay, you can see how all that will go wonderfully together. All right, let me show you. Let me see if I can. Okay, let's see if I can just. We'll cover that up. An acrylic piece, mirrored rose gold. It says grateful with the heart. This one's yellow gold. Oh, and there's a pumpkin on the back of this one. It says sweater weather. Love that. Autumn vibes. Up with a little pumpkin cup, a little coffee cup. Autumn vibes. And then one that says hello pumpkin with the pumpkin that matches it. So that's the acrylic kit. All right, let me clear off my desk, take a moment, and I'll show you the bold. Okay, and then the bold kit usually just complements the main kit. Sometimes it's been a little bit different, but it's usually like a complementary full circle, and this one definitely is complementary. So we have these wood veneer title pieces that I freaking love. They're kind of yellowy bronze, no, not yellow, orangey bronze kind of color. They're not like really a gold. Like if I look at next to this, it's not gold. It's more orange or bronze based. So thankful and blessed. Really like those. More wood veneer. This one has fall breeze, autumn leaves with some apples. And then we got some fabric flowers and the leaves. A leaf pattern paper. And an orange yellow plaid. Repeat text and like a border, almost like a washi tape. And a repeat green. A brown with a white chevron pattern. Oh, and that apple basket. So we got 2 of those. Apple baskets. And then, oh good, a nice good wreath. Love that. Love that floral. Like instant layout. Don't need to do nothing. Put a photo right there. And is this repeat? Okay, yeah, this one repeats. So lovely. This one will definitely be complimentary to it. So I always do the unboxing and then show you exactly how I use it for my first project. So let me clear off my desk and I will be right back. Okay, my crafty friends. So I went into my collection of dies or shape dies and I have these nested hexagon. Yes, nested hexagon ones from scrapbook.com. If they're still available, I will have them linked down below. I need to reach for these more. You ever have an item in your stash and you're just like, wow, I really love it, but I don't always remember I have it? That's me in these nested dies. So I picked out about 4 sizes and 4 sizes that would fit like a 4-inch photo or like a 3.5-inch photo if I printed it out so that it would have a border. So I went ahead and did like 3 of each size, and I did it on the busier small pattern paper because I thought on this white and blue stripe paper it would look good, but I felt like it still looked too busy. But then luckily when you flip the side over, it has this hexagon and a bigger floral print on it, which I also really liked on the white. So I had the option at this point to use either side of the pattern paper in this hexagon shape, and I loved both of them. So I went with the white instead, and that way it wasn't as busy sitting on the white and blue pattern paper. And I'm going to use this Hello Pumpkin acrylic piece from the acrylic kit, and I love it, but I was looking at it, I'm just like, I want it to pop more. I mean, it pops on white, don't get me wrong. This whole step I probably did not need to do, but I went ahead and cut it out of the blue and white striped paper, another hexagon that the acrylic piece would sit on. And then since I had one blue and white striped one, I always like, at least in my head when I'm, creating, I need rule of 3. So then I cut like 2 other sizes in it from this piece I cut out, just so that the striped paper would also be featured in 3 different areas. At least that's how I kind of look at design from my point of view. I'm like, nope, I need more blue and white stripes, so let me see what size I need to cut. And so I fill the void with extra blue and white striped ones just for that. I don't even know if you call it symmetry, but it's something that pleases the eye. And so these are just photos of me and my daughter playing on Snapchat. I don't know why she loves it or the kids love it, but we love it. And you know what? Once I get into it with her and we make funny faces with the puppy ears, or you turn into they put you looking like a fox or whatever, my camera roll is filled with us on Snapchat filters. And that's all we do. We just get on the filters, we save the photo, and that's it. It's not like we send it to anyone or have an active Snapchat account. No, ma'am. It's just to play with the filters, save the photo, and laugh and show our parents and daddy and stuff. So these were like leopard print ears. I think it was making this look like a dog. I don't know. They're cute. So needless to say, the acrylic piece, Hey Pumpkin, I thought worked well with it. And now it's just time for the embellishing. So I just added a few little sentiment pieces. You can see I used a little house on that striped one there. And for some of them, you saw me add some fun foam. Just so that there was some dimension, so the photos are popped up as well. And then the acrylic piece I just left as is, and some of the other smaller hexagons are also popped up. And so it's a fun way to just have them fit. Yes, they're all different sizes, but I think the size variation lends to the design element of the page. And some of the big florals were lovely on the page. And I finish it off with some gold splatter. You'll see me at the end. To adhere the pieces that have the fun foam in the back, I usually go in with my Fabri-Tac. For some reason, I just feel like this adheres better. It might be just in my head, but I kind of feel like it adheres better. And so this kit is amazing. I hope you are playing with it yourself, and so I look forward to scrapping a few more memories with this collection. This is the one called Cozy for the month of October, and everything will be linked down below, including the nested dies if I can find it still available at scrapbook.com. Okay, everyone, that will wrap up this video. Look at my hexagons and the gold splatter and all the layers and the honeycombs. Oh, so good. We love those Snapchat filters. And then the acrylic, and then the one little blue pumpkin. So perfect. Yes. Okay, this is so cute. All right. Thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe if you are new to my channel. And I will leave all the links for this kit and collection down in the description box. And if you, I believe I have a coupon code. I always forget which ones I don't and do. You'll receive a discount on your purchase as well. So thank you so much for joining me. Please subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up. And until next time, everyone, bye.